Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To all my fellow traders, this is Yusri from Aatinaa. We are going to go to the Finding Bulls video series. This is market recaps on the April 25th and the outlook for May the 2nd next week, inshallah. As usual, let's go look what happened last week. This is the market watch from thinkorswim platform. That's the Friday, April 22nd. That's one. This is our end of the week day, and we are closing last week with a very red day, and then we enter the week of 25th on Monday with a good energy in the stock market. Everything's turned red, green except some energy sector. Except the energy sector. You can see the market rotations really happening. People moving into information technology and dumping the energy stock. On Tuesday, it becoming a red day again for some reasons, and there's only couple of names, couple of stock tickers that turns green. WM and ROP, they have a good earning. That's why they have a good, a green color associated with them. But most of the market are down on that day. On Wednesday, April 27, two big tech company reporting the earnings. That's Microsoft and Google. Microsoft reporting very good guidance and a good result, and opposite to Google. And you can see how it reflects in the market. On Thursday, market comes back all green except for a little bit Tesla a little bit down right there. But in general, the global market is turning very positive on Thursday. And Friday it's turned out to be red market again except for NVO with a good earning. So here's the question again for us. What's gonna happen next week? As this one is only history, what's already happened in the past. So let's see what we think we find a bull for next week. Let me switch to my thinkorswim so I can show you my ETF over here. This is the summary of weekly and monthly ETF. The upper one, that's the weekly ETF, and the lower one is the monthly ETF. I have the color code for each symbol over here, and the one that I'm particularly interested to talk about it today is, for example, XLP. XLP was minus 2% in the last week. XLP is this color with the white background on the bottom right now. This with high 79. That's XLP. As you can see, XLP has some energy where the remaining curve you see over here, they're going down dip to the right, where XLP they're actually building up, going up right there. So I think there's a good indication that XP actually outperform all of these other ETF for right now. In the monthly basis, XLP is this one again. I'll make them a little bit bold right there for you. They are very stable. They are very stable all along since 5 years ago. It just keep going up, keep going up. Yes, with a little bit of corrections, but in general it goes up deep. So if you're looking for something to hold for long term, a year time frame, consider stocks that associated within XLP with the consumer staples. For example, PG, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, all of that name that belong to XLP. All right, I'm gonna move on to the next one. I'm gonna show you maybe let's see XLE. XLE dominates the market since last year. This is the red right there, the bold one right now. You can see how it's underperformed by September 2021, and then it just outperformed the market since then until a little bit of correction right now as we see it this week. And is it running out of gas? That may be the question for the energy right now. Is it gonna continue going up, or are we gonna start seeing some corrections or a little bit of selling off in the XLE? I think I have the indicator over here, my technical indicator, that saying that we are probably reaching the people gonna start taking some profit from XLE. However, in the long run, this is the 5-year monthly chart. XLE, we're still far below. We just like where we started like a few years back. So it's not up strong. I think we still have some room for it to go up over here in coming years or coming months. But for short time period right now, we may be entering into a little bit of corrections. So maybe I'm start thinking on taking profit on our energy holding right now. For example, we have Exxon, for example, or ConocoPhillips. I'm thinking of taking profit on that. All right. The other one I like to talk about is the XLB material. This the curve. That's this one here. They are only minus 0.083 since last week. On last week, that is right now the green color ETF chart right here. As you can see, it's almost similar perform with XLP, that guy over there. Outperform all other ETF right there, and in the monthly basis, that still looks pretty good as well. So I'm probably thinking of looking at some stock within that XLB material sector for upcoming weeks, inshallah. All right, I think that's all we have. Let me go back to my PowerPoint. Monday is Eid for us, inshallah. Happy Eid, everyone. May Allah accept your fasting and bless your trading. Allah bless your trading, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.